Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Here is part 3 of the double crochet easy summer shirt. And I actually already started the next piece, maybe to make it a little bit easier to show you. But what you're going to do is you're going to, for the back panel, I have the front panel right here, you can tell by the V-neck. For the back panel, you're going to create a chain that is the same length as the front panel. And if you know the exact number of stitches, you can go by that. Or if you want to go by measurement, you can also go by that. And then you're going to create it. This isn't quite finished yet. I did have the opportunity to start, but not quite finish. Okay, I'm lining it up at the bottom. You want it to go all the way up to the top and meet up with the top of your both sides. So it will line up here. I have several more rows to go before mine lines up. So this is going to be the quickest video to show what the next step is, but it is probably going to be the longest part of your project because this back panel will take a while to make it long enough. And then for our final clue next week, we will talk about how to sew the pieces together.